G'day, welcome to iCULTIVATE. My name's Steve and today we're going to come back and have a look at some yuccas that we pruned several years ago and see how they're going. These are the yucca plants that we pruned in a video a couple of years ago, and you can see that we've had some wonderful healthy growth with quite a few stems growing from the base that we left after the previous cutting. Let's get down and have a look at this growth. When we pruned this a couple of years ago, we left a cut roughly here, and you can see some wonderful growth that has occurred over the past couple of years, producing these very, very healthy stems. Again, you can see here multiple stems that are growing from the base. Now, it was the pruning that actually has stimulated this growth to occur. So, as we have said in our previous videos, don't be afraid to cut these yuccas back quite harshly because you will get some wonderful growth. Let's go and have a look at the other plant. So on this second yucca plant, as we get in close here and we see where we cut back several years ago, we've got some wonderful, fantastic growth coming out from that point. It was the pruning that actually stimulated this new healthy growth. So with your yuccas, don't be afraid to really cut them back harshly because it will generate some fantastic growth. With this third yucca plant, you can see we've got two stems that are dominating. I am looking at these stems and I'm thinking new yucca plants. So what I will do in the next day or so is I'm going to prune these off, and they're going to be new yucca plants that I'm going to pot out just in the same way as you saw in the original video going back a couple of years ago. So overall, our yucca plants have really thrived as a result of the pruning that we gave them several years ago. All I'm going to do now and ongoing is selectively remove different stems. It all comes down to the aesthetics of the plant itself. What do I want my yucca plants to look like in this particular position? I can choose to remove the longer, taller stems or some of the shorter ones, just so that it fits in with the aesthetic of this particular area. This one over here, well, it's going to end up as new yucca plants because I don't like those taller stems the way they are. These ones here, they're very thick and bushy at the moment. I'm quite happy with that, and I'm just going to leave them the way they are for the moment. So when you are deciding what stems to remove or how to prune your yucca plant, go with the aesthetic. Go with the way you want it to appear in the particular position that it is. They are an extremely hardy plant, so just trim them, prune them for the aesthetic. Prune them the way you want them to look. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Can I please ask you to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to go to our website iCULTIVATE.net and become a member of the community. Thanks for watching.